Welcome! Today, we're going to learn how to create a new client in Access Pro.
First, go to the main page where the dashboard is displayed. Then, click on the Clients button on the left-hand menu. There, you'll see the list of clients and a button labeled Add Client. Click on that button to continue.
There, you need to fill in the full name, email, phone, and address fields with the client's information. Once the details are entered, click Save to store the record. The client will be added successfully and will appear in your client list. You'll also be able to easily select this client when creating a time record or an invoice in Access Pro. And that's it! Now you know how to create a new client in Access Pro. Keeping your clients properly registered allows you to work faster and maintain better control over your services and invoicing. See you in the next tutorial.